To the Philippines, thank you so much for the tremendous honor. Seeing my number retired is something that I absolutely will never forget. The love that you guys have showed me, the way that you guys have embraced me, is something I will always, always remember. So thank you so much for that. And then secondly, I hope that you guys remember to always demand more of yourself, always push yourself beyond what your expectations are. And demand more, love the hate, mamba out.
Kobe.
Dear Kobe.
Dear Kobe.
Dear Kobe, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kobe Bean.
Kobe, thank you, man.
Dear Kobe, thank you.
Thank you for your passion, your commitment, and dedication to basketball.
Thank you for showing us that the number 24 isn't just a number on your jersey, but the amount of hours in a day that you have to devote to the game to be the best.
Thank you for giving and giving and giving.
Thank you for pushing through when your body says no, but your heart said yes.
Thank you for the games that you refused to lose, and the ones you always seemed destined to win.
Thank you for your endless drive.
For showing us that even on your worst day, there's nothing else to do but push harder.
For showing us there's no such thing as magic, but only hard work.
Inside of Kobe. Sweet smoke on the follow-away. Floating on the baseline, 5-0 Lakers. Mayo. Boy, frustration for O.J. Mayo continues. Staples Center. And Kobe finding some space. 13-2. I talked about what Kobe's done to this team. And don't forget in 2007, he lit him up for just 60. The most ever against the franchise. Bryant to the basket. Inside. Oh, what a finish for Bryant. He's going to pull up for a jumper here. You got to communicate and tell Ron DeBell which way settled.
Warriors cannot buy a triple. Kobe wheeling. What a play to Turioff. And the foul. What a delivery by Kobe Bryant.
I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all.
You know, I can't believe how fast 20 years went by. I mean, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. And, you know, to be standing here at center court with you guys, my teammates behind me, and appreciating all this, you know, the journey that we've been on. You know, we've been through our ups and been through our downs. And I think the most important part is that we all stayed together throughout. You know, I grew up a diehard Laker fan. Diehard. I mean, I knew about every player that's ever played here. So to be drafted and then traded to this organization and to spend 20 years here, I mean, you can't write something better than this.